Well, we're going to do some bismuth and from this ingot.
What tools are you going to need?
This bismuth ingot. And to amazing crystal. And what tools? The first part is gloves. Best way to do it, leather gloves. And of course, safety glasses, but we can't find any, so don't do this without safety glasses. But we supplemented it with my baking hat.
Or Dad with glasses.
Or a dad with glasses.
Always take advantage of the blind.
Okay. Out. And don't forget 1 pound of bismuth. Well, that's what I chose. You can do whatever. And now. Well, we're putting it in. Be cautious. Woo!
Yes, do that good stuff. Anybody into it?
Yes.
What are you going to do next once it's fully melted in a liquid ingot?
Well, once it's fully liquid, I will skim the top off for any impurities.
So what state of form is the bismuth turning into right now with this heat? What is it? What is the heat?
It's coming from a solid to a liquid.
And cool, what is kind of interesting about a liquid? The shape is...
The shape can change, but the amount never changes.
So if I melt this solid bismuth, it's not going to get lighter. It'll stay the same mass, regardless if it's a liquid or... Cool.
It'll stay the same shape. Unless it's air, then it can change its shape, change everything.
This is skimming. Jace, can this be dangerous? What are the hazards of skimming metals?
It can be dangerous because it could go onto your skin, give you a 3rd, 2nd, or 1st degree burn.
I like how we started with 3rd. Oh. What's in that little tuna container other than cat food?
Oh, that tuna container? That's all the oxide, impurity that formed on top of it. Well, it is big for its atomic number. And as we let it cool, we can learn some science facts. Science facts. Let me let the chef see. This is the excess runoff. Looks like a little town.
It's quite heavy. That's not even the full pound, eh?
This isn't even the full pound. It's heavy.
It's a hefty little.
Because even atomic mass is quite stable for how heavy it is.
So pretty.
Uh-huh. Boop. I'm gonna redo.
Jace, you're not happy with the look of this one?
We're not happy with the first one, so
So what's the best thing about
redo.
that's what you can do with bismuth. You can just melt
Yes,
it.
remelt it.
Pretty. You can listen to it, yeah?
And of course at the end.